The Huepar Laser Level S04CG-L offers remarkable versatility with its four 360-degree planes of laser light, making it perfect for both ceiling and floor installations. It boasts a triple power system, providing flexibility with a rechargeable Li-ion battery, 4 LA batteries, or direct power through its Type-C charging port. With its smart pendulum system, the laser level self-levels and alerts users when out of level, ensuring precision in all your projects. The bright green laser beam is significantly more visible than traditional red beams and can be extended up to 200 feet with the pulse mode and a compatible laser receiver. Designed for durability, this laser level features a robust TPR soft rubber cover and IP54 water and dust resistance, making it ideal for challenging job sites. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories, such as a lifting base, magnetic bracket, and various battery options, ensuring you have everything you need for efficient operation.